Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Infiniti 2020 QX60. Let's try to see if we can program a key like all key lost or no key available or no proxy available. Like this. The key, you have an insert inside, and this is the part number. Infiniti and Nissan, they are the same. So let's go ahead and see if we can do something. I'm gonna go to IMO and I will accept. Then I will go to Infiniti. I go to Asian car, Infiniti here, and let's see if we'll be able to communicate with. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna go automatic selection, open and close the driver door. Open and close the driver door and close it. Door lock, unlock. Good. So now I'm gonna go say okay. Hazard light is on. You're gonna push a button here for the hazard light. See? And we're gonna wait. Just a little bit. Now we are 27. We continue for this one. Be sure you have internet available, because if you don't have no Wi-Fi, no internet, it's not gonna help. So I'm gonna quick open my hotspot. You don't have hotspot, believe me, you're gonna be in trouble in the middle of programming. Programming is 11.99, which is good. This is 2020. You know, Toyota after 2016-17 they changed their algorithm. I'm not sure about the Infiniti, but let's try. 11.99, hopefully it's good. If it's not, we're gonna put a really charger. You see my Wi-Fi is good now, my hotspot. Now I'm 83%. And this one here in the back, when you push this one, you slide it, you're gonna take the key inside. So now here what you need to do, I'm gonna do image scan just to be sure that everything is healthy. Smart key. There is 2 key register and 20-digit authorization code calculation supported. So the machine support the calculation, which is not bad. We are 66%. Okay, all key lost. 3-step start. I'm gonna put like this so I know which one I use. Exit option will erase all the keys. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard on, open the closed driver door. Ignition must be off. Say okay. Place the back of the key. Back of the key. The smart key again is the ignition, and press OK. Or here. Did it? Yes. Now we go online. Checking the network. That's why I say internet is very important. And this one I leave it like this all the time. If everything is okay, you have internet, it will go into programming section. If you are not sure, look at it and be sure, but I believe it's okay. You can go here and check your internet. It's connected. Network check. It takes some time, but we're gonna wait. Okay, everything is good. Press and push button. Now operate according to the following procedure. Press push button ignition switch for 2 seconds or more and turn the ignition on. So I'm gonna push this one till the light is on. So push it. Good. Ignition is on. Uh-oh. Let me stop all this. Okay. Yes, ignition is on, yes. Now it will tell you to turn it on. Success. Now we're gonna start programming those modules now. The first thing to do is to turn the key off and then push it and put this key on it. Turn the key off for 3 seconds. The same procedure we did it for. Then click OK. Press the push button once and attach the smart key that need to program to start button where the instrument light up automatically. We're gonna see if the instrument will light up. I'm gonna push here like this and then put this one. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this one is already registered. I say yes. So this programming is success. I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna take this one. Do you want to program another one? I say yes. Turn ignition off. Wait 3 seconds. I turn it off. Okay, off. Okay. Turn it off. I'm gonna wait 3 seconds. Now I'm gonna do this one too. So I'm gonna push. 1. Put the key. Yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna say yes. Yes. Do you want to program another one? I say no. Turn the key off. I'm gonna leave this one here. Push it 1 time more. Press the start button and put attach key. Okay, I'm gonna start button, put this one. Turn on. So now I say okay. Okay, I say okay. Turn the ignition off. So okay. Key program is succeed. Perform the following. Open and close the driver door. Click unlock. Unlock once. Start the engine and wait 5 seconds. Lock. Lock. Unlock. Am I going to be able to start the car? I don't want to start the car because I don't know what happened. But I know everything is good now. Supposed to get a message there, say key is programmed. I'm gonna try to see if I can start it. Push the brake. Let the brake or what? Beautiful. The car start. Everything look okay. So we learn from here also that if you need to program this one, it's going to take you the same step that we did for 2015 to 2020. Infiniti Q60, Nissan Maxima, Altima, all these things, they follow the same rule. That's one. We are able to do 2020. Now the next thing is to take this. Hold on. The insert, it looks the same, only they make it a little bigger to correspond with the other one. What we need again, we know that you must have internet, and you know that you have to be sure follow the step one by one. If you don't follow the steps, it may not work fine. And we know that whether it's Infiniti Q50 or all those cars, they're supposed to be the same. Infiniti, Nissan, Q50, all the procedure is the same. This is a beautiful car. And this is like 7 seat. Look how big, wide, nice. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.